maleta kati ya no façon pas plus de couleur. Seigneur, comme nos braves, quand nous laissons.
Bonsoir, messieurs. Comment est Madame souffre au gros danger à cause de...
We don't. I speak
He
English.
said that your wife has serious injuries. Anything we do to keep her alive would endanger your child, your baby.
I don't understand.
Ça, c'est un choix qui est difficile en pile.
It's a difficult choice. We cannot save them both.
We are so sorry.
Angela! Gotta get a move on. Ange. 20 minutes.
All right. Hurry up and finish your breakfast. Slept in past my alarm.
You can have it. You eat it. I'm not eating meat anymore.
What you talking about? Oh, it's that documentary you watched, right? Give you bad dreams, like I told you it would?
Poor little piggies. I mean, think about it. You're just enjoying your day chilling in a mud bath, and then bzzz, and then all 'cause some farmer got sick of eating oatmeal.
So, ice cream for breakfast. Fine with me. You got that math thing today, right?
Math champ challenge. It's tomorrow.
Don't bite your nails.
I was wondering if I could do homework at Catherine's today. Like, go home with her, or Dad can bring me home.
Well, I was thinking that we could just do what we always do. You know, I come get you after school. You come to the studio, do your homework. We spend
I
time
know,
together.
that's
which we
what I'm
never
asking.
do.
That's what I'm saying. I mean, I do have friends, you know.
I know you have friends. You know, but what I'm saying is like,
Poor little piggies.
I'm your friend.
Angela, we don't have time for this.